Hello everyone. I am Miyakawa Yoshio, the young proprietress of the hot spring inn Nishinomiyabi Tokiwa, in Yuda Onsen, Yamaguchi Prefecture. Thank you. This time, we will introduce the rooms in our hotel, focusing. I am standing in front of the entrance of Nishinomiyabi Tokiwa. Today, I will be the video cameraman and introduce the facilities of the inn. The other video cameraman is my husband, Maikoa Kanzuya, president of Nishinomiyabi Tokiwa. In front of the entrance, there is a Tokiwa signboard and a landlady theater signboard. There is a photo of me and the famous landlady. The Landlady Theater is an entertainment show that is Tokiwa's specialty. The landlady, who is my mother-in-law, performs 30 to 40 of the 150 tricks for free every day to please the guests. Sometimes, the president and I go on stage. The show's structure is determined by the proprietress, and the show lasts about an hour. I think it's a very fun show. Please take a look when you come to Yuda Onsen. When you enter the door, the front desk will be on your right. After checking in, go to the back and you will see a courtyard with a waterfall flowing through it. If you go to the right after the waterfall, you will see a certificate that introduces the president's alcohol-related qualifications. He is a sake master, a sake studies instructor, and an FBO instructor. My certification is Omotenashi Yamaguchi Meister. Now, I will show you the guest rooms. This is the special room floor on the 7th floor, the top floor. This is the renovated floor called Yujin. There are 5 special rooms on the 7th floor, each with an open-air bath.
This is the name of a woman who appears in the classic Japanese literature, The Tale of Genji.
I go into the room. Before going to the open-air bath, I will introduce you to the room. This is a Japanese-style room with a bed. Take a look at the view from the 7th floor. It overlooks the townscape of Yuda. From this room, you can see Haimiyama in the southeast direction. The president will introduce the legend passed down in Haimiyama.
この山ですかね、姫山の伝説がありますよね。こういうのは社長が得意なので。
There is a legend that no beautiful woman is born in the area visible from Haimyama. One day, the lord who ruled Yamaguchi City thought of making a beautiful woman his own. However, the beautiful woman kept her chastity from the lord. The lord, who was angry because things didn't go as planned, hung the beautiful woman in a well on empty Haimyama. The beautiful woman died in agony. The legend that beautiful women are not born in Yamaguchi has been passed down from the regret of a beautiful woman whose life ended while mourning the fact that she was born beautiful. The young proprietress is from Kyushu, so it doesn't matter.
Let's say no comment. This is an open-air bath. It is a cypress bath. It's full of hot springs. The source water is flowing 24 hours a day. The water is nice and you can see the view of Yuda from this open-air bath.
でこういうちょっとビール飲んだり、はい、ちょっと休むスペースなどもあります。洗面所と露天
This is
風呂
the entrance to the washroom and open-air bath. On the other side is the shower room.
特別室はフィナンショーンの化粧品を使っています。ちなみにここ一泊
How much does it cost for one night and 2 meals?
お一人様で
During the off-season, it costs around 20,000 yen excluding tax per person.
The price on Saturday is about 25,000 yen.
There are changes before holidays and depending on the season.
正月高いしね。はい。若女将チャンネル見たって言ったら割引はないんですか？あ、それはいい提案ですね。
Introducing Fujitobo 731. This is one of the special rooms and is a large Japanese-style room.
ちょっと結構広めの和室が出ます。
That's a wonderful hanging scroll.
これね、私がかけました。なんつって。でこっちがさっきとは
This room has a different view from the Wikifune that I introduced earlier. To the north, the Yamaguchi Basin is surrounded by mountains. There is a twin bedroom next door, a dresser and a coffee machine.
山口盆地なので、はい。こちら隣にベッドルーム、ツインベッドがあります。こちらがベッドルームですね。こういうドレッサーと、はい、コーヒーマシン。コーヒーマシンね、これね。お風呂沸いてないんですけど、これはね、自慢なんですよ。社長自慢の。
Unfortunately, there is no hot water in the bath, but it is in Cypress open-air bath that the president is proud of. Sauna facilities are also available. This room has a sauna for 2 people.
2人ぐらいまで入れますね。はい。ということですね。サウナ付きのお部屋です。ここはどれぐらいですかね。25,000 円
This
ぐらい。
room costs around 25,000 yen per person during the cheapest months.
そうですね。はい。じゃあ次のお部屋
Room 732 is Kuritobo.
でございます。入ります。
The rooms on this floor are named after women from the tale of Genji.
There is a Japanese-style room on the left as you enter. This is a spacious Japanese-style room with an area of about 10 tatami mats. Next door is the living room and Western-style room. Kuritobo is the largest room at Nishinomiyabi Tokiwa.
はいそしてこちらがベッドルーム。
This is the bedroom.
ベッドとドレッサー
Twin bed and dresser.
があります。
This is the view from Kuritobo.
霧壺から
It's on the north side.
7階ね。はい。洗面所がこちらです。
Kuritobo has 2 sinks and a spacious toilet. The bathroom is here. It is semi-open air, and the kido can be fully opened.
こんな感じ。こちらもちょっと半露天で、格子状に開けることもできるし、全開にすることもできます。はい。こちらは一泊2食おいくらなんですか？はい。こちらは
This is the largest room and starts at around 28,000 yen for 1 night and 2 meals. On Saturdays and Sundays, it will be around 30,000 yen.
そうですね。
Thank you very much. How was that? Everyone who watched this video, please come and visit Nishinomiyabi Tokiwa.
宮川和也の酒と魚のペアリングチャンネルだったかな、そちらの方もお暇だったら見てみてください。よろしくお願いします。そして大事なのは私の方の宮川よしおのゆるい旅館日記、こちらの方のチャンネル登録をしていただけると嬉しいです。よろしくお願いします。それでは第3弾でお会いできることを楽しみにしております。さようなら。